Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever seen paid by people you know on Cash App and wondered what it means? Let's break it down. The feature is Cash App's way of helping you spot legit payments. It highlights transactions from people you have sent or received money from before. It's designed to reduce scams and make sure you are getting money from trusted contracts like friends, family, or people you have already paid. But remember, this doesn't guarantee safety. Always double check before accepting or sending money. Now you know. Stay safe, and if this helped, like and subscribe for more quick cash app tips. Thanks for watching.